Tiger Lily. Tiger Lily, can you turn around and look at Mommy? Can you get it? Tiger Lily. Hello? Can you get it? Well, Mommy will come look at you. How's that? Tiger Lily. Can you turn over? Can you at least flip over? Can you try that? It's tough, I know. It's tough. You want to put this arm up? Use this arm. Go flip. Oh, you're such a good girl. Flip over. Flip over. You getting there? Flip. Keep flipping. Keep flipping. You got it. You got it. Yeah. Come on. Do it. Keep doing it. Get it. Keep flipping. Keep flipping, girlie. Who's that girl? You did it. I'll give it to you there.